Hello children, welcome to Social Science class. In today's class, we are going to learn Unit 3 District Administration in Term 2. Children, what is district administration? District administration means the management of the task of government so far as it lies within an area legally recognized as a district. I repeat, district administration means the management of the task of government so far as it lies within an area legally recognized as a district. Come children, let us start today's class. Learning objectives. Children will be able to understand how a district functions. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to understand how a district functions. Know about different departments working in the district. You will be able to know the different departments working in a district. And then know the responsibility of district collectors. You will be able to know the responsibility of district collectors. A small girl named Kaveri and her father are at home. They are watching news on the television. Kaveri and her father are watching news on the television at home. Look at the picture, children. Both of them are watching television, isn't it? Yes. Father. Kaveri, the district collector, has given order that the schools will be remain closed from tomorrow till further notice because of heavy rain. District means a specific part of your city or town. Children, tell me, which is our district? Yes, Thiruvannamalai is our district. District collector. District collector means the officer appointed by state government as collector and district magistrate for a district. District collector was appointed by state government. Is this clear, children? Yes. Kaveri's father says that the schools will be remain closed due to heavy rain from tomorrow till further notice. Kaveri, haha, dancing. No school. District collector? Who is district collector? Dad. I explained to you children that district collector is the officer appointed by state government as collector. He is the person who control a district. Otherwise administrate a district. So Kaveri was very happy due to no school news. Father. District collector is the administrative head of a district. District collector is responsible for proper and smooth functioning of the district. Children, who is the head of a district? Yes, district collector. He is responsible for proper and smooth functioning of the district. Kaveri. one person takes care of everything? Father, no, Kaveri. There are more subordinates in district administration to assist the district collector, like district medical officer, superintendent of police, district forest officer, chief educational officer, revenue divisional officer, RDO, and other officers. District medical officer, a physician and senior government official of a health agency, usually at the town, district, or regional level, who advises and leads a team of medical experts on matters of public health importance. Next, Superintendent of Police. Superintendents of police are the officers of either State Police Service or Indian Police Service. They are the district head of non-metropolitan districts in India. They are also the in charge of a large urban or rural area in a district, where a senior superintendent is the district head. District forest officers are responsible for the forest, environment, and wildlife related issues of a forest range within a state or district. He or she is responsible for the execution of all works in the range with the help of subordinates. Chief Educational Officer controls the whole district with regard to education. He manages, guides, hears, and redresses the complaints of the teachers, other staffs, and general public. All the duties by the teachers and other staff are compiled under the name of District Education Officer. Revenue Divisional Officer, RDO. He or she protect and safeguard government land and properties, including buildings, irrigation sources, trees, etc. Monitor and review leases, transfer, alienation, and assignment of government lands, and take suitable follow-up action after due inspections where necessary. And other officers. Heads take care of their own departments. They all are a part of the district administration system. These persons take care of their own departments. Personally, they are all a part of the district administration system. However, district collector is responsible for proper working of all departments to make sure that people are benefited by the government. Children, look at this picture. First picture, district magistrate. He is superintendent of police. She is health officer. Let us know, health officers are responsible for government hospitals in the district. The person in charge advises on health and sanitation of the district. Think. Name some of the duties of policemen. Tell me, children. The primary duty of a police officer is to protect people and property. The common duties of police, including controlling traffic, patrolling neighborhoods, is responding to emergency calls, writing citations, delivery warrants, arresting violators, and submitting incident reports in a timely manner. These are the duties of policemen. Let us know. Superintendent of Police. Superintendent of Police means in short form SP. He is responsible for the police force in the district. Law and order is maintained in the district with the assistance from all police officers like inspectors and constables. Call 100 to reach out to police in case of emergency. In case of emergency, we should call 100. Activity. Find the missing letters using the hints. First, administrative head of the district. Who is the administrative head of the district? Collector. COLLECTOR. Maintains law and order. Police. 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 Advises on health. Doctor. 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 Teachers. Morality. Teacher. 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 Kaveri. Dad, how is a district collector selected? Father. IAS officers are recruited by UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. Union Public Service Commission is a board in India which conducts several exams to select grade 1 officers for Indian government. UPSC is also responsible for training and allocation of positions to its different selected candidates. These IAS officers are appointed as district collectors. Let us know. The Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission TNPSC is recruited the state's public service personnel. TNPSC is a department of the government of Tamil Nadu that is responsible for governing the recruitment of personnel into the state's public service. District Educational Office monitors educational and administrative activities in the district. Kaveri. Dad, can you tell me more about them? Father. District Collector is the head of the revenue department. District Collector seeks assistance from the police force to maintain law and order in the district. Superintendent of Police follows the order of the District Collector. They inform District Collector time to time about the law and order of the district. Superintendent of Police, in short form SP, he or she will inform time to time about the law and order of the district to the collector. District Collector also supervises local bodies like District Board, Village Panchayat and Municipal Committees. Prompt actions during natural disaster are taken by the District Collector. District Collector also supervises Village Panchayat, Municipal Committees, District Boards, etc. And he also prompt action during natural disasters. District Collector has a major role in the development of the government. District Collector makes sure that the policies should reach the people. Collector has a major role in the development of the government and he or she makes sure that the policies should reach the people. Kaveri. Okay, Dad, I will share all this in my class and learn more details about our district with my friends and teachers. At last, Kaveri says, okay, Dad, I will share all this with my friends and teachers about our district. True or false? Number 1. District collectors are appointed through exams conducted by UPSC. This statement is true, right, true, T-R-U-E, true. Number 2, teacher gives order to make sure different policies reach people in the district. This statement is false. Who will give order to make sure policies reach people in the district? Yes, that is collector. So this statement is false, right? False. F-A-L-S-E, false. Number 3, Chief Educational Officer takes care of the education department. This statement is true, right? True. T-R-U-E, true. Number 4, police officers are responsible for the government hospitals. Who is responsible for the government hospitals? Yes, you are correct, children. Chief Health Officer is responsible for the government hospitals, isn't it? Yes. So, this statement is false, right? False. F-A-L-S-E, false. Number 5, Forest Officer takes care of the forest department. This statement is true, right? True. T-R-U-E, true. Children, let's do book back exercises. First, choose the correct answer. Number 1, dash administrative head of the district. A, district collector. B, judge. C, superintendent of police. Answer is A, district collector. D-I-S-T-R-I-C-T, district collector. C-O-L-L-E-C-T-O-R, collector, district collector. Number 2, dash or responsible for government hospitals. A, policeman. B, health officer. C, drivers. Answer is B, health officer. H-E-A-L-T-H, health officer. O-F-F-I-C-E-R, officer, health officer. Number 3, dash is maintained by the police department. A, health. B, forest. C, law and order. Answer is C, law and order. L-A-W, law, and A-N-D, and order, O-R-D-E-R, order, law and order. Number 4, dash ensures the proper functioning of educational department in a district. A, forest officer. B, chief educational officer. C, health officer. Answer is B, chief educational officer. C-H-I-E-F, chief educational. E-D-U-C-A-T-I-O-N-A-L, educational officer. O-F-F-I-C-E-R, officer, chief educational officer. Number 5, dash advises on sanitation of the district. A, health officer. B, forest officer. C, revenue officer. Answer is A, health officer. H-E-A-L-T-H, health officer. O-F-F-I-C-E-R, officer, health officer. Answer the following questions. Number 1, who is the administrative head of the district? Answer is district collector is the administrative head of the district. I repeat, district collector is the administrative head of the district. Number 2, how are the district collectors selected? Collectors are appointed through exams conducted by UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. Some of them are promoted from the state civil services. I repeat, collectors are appointed through exams conducted by UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. Some of them are promoted from the state civil services. Number 3. Name any 3 departments of the districts. Police Department, Medical Department and Forest Department. I repeat, Police Department, Medical Department and Forest Department. Number 4. Who maintains law and order in the district? Answer is police maintains law and order in the district. I repeat, police maintains law and order in the district. Number 5. Write about the health officer. Health officer is responsible for government hospitals in the district. I repeat, health officer is responsible for government hospitals in the district. He also advises on health and sanitation of the district. He refers to health officer. Health officer also advises on health and sanitation of the district. Children, let us recall. District collector is the administrative head of the district. Law and order is maintained by police department. Health officer is responsible for the sanitation of the district. Children, I hope you all understand how a district functions and also you know about the different departments working in the district and also the responsibility of a district collector. Isn't it, children? Yes. Thank you for watching this video.